You don't have this lab sheet, do you? Have it?
Sorry?
You don't got this lab sheet, right?
Yeah.
Because I'm pulling off from my old
No it's a different one.
Oh,
different one.
wait 14-2
14-2, correct. This is different.
Same same.
I draw so much already. Yeah, this not exactly the best in the world. Okay, it's F6. What is G? G must change router. G must use 1941. Only the 1941 has G interfaces. Yeah, the last one was a password, but not the password of PC. G01 to 05.
Wait,
01 to 05. DC is here. SS 00 to S00. DC is over here. So we have this 01 to 01. Yeah, here we are. Okay, so this is, oh, we have got LO here also. Okay, then we'll do it later. Okay, so it's switch 1. And this is switch 2, switch 3. Okay, let's configure the router. Okay, out of what? So you configure PC first, PC IP address first. Okay, 192.168.10.3. 192.168.10.1. PC for this 192.168.30.3. 192.168.30.1. Okay, so we're using this to configure the router. Okay, so with this configure router, we have enable, configure terminal host name, give it R1 first. I'm going to assume we can do the rest. Okay, R1 is over here. Okay, this time now I will do this. Make things easy. Okay. Okay, so we interface G01. IP address 192.168.10.1 to 552.552.550, no shut. That's it. Interface LO01. LO0. Excuse me. IP address 192.168.20.1. Okay, and we have interface S000, the DC, so it gives you a clock rate of 64,000. Okay, IP address 10.1.1.1 255.255.252. No shut. That's all. Okay, that's all. So ISP, let's put a PC for ISP to configure that. Okay, configure ISP. Okay, enable, configure terminal, give it host name first, ISP. Got ISP is this interface S000, IP address 10.1.1.2. No shut. Interface S001, this is a clock rate, TCE. Okay, interface IP address, correct. IP address 110.2.2.2.2.
Mr. So, the
Yes.
clock rate, right? If you never enter anything, it will default 6,400.
Good question. I can't remember.
Hey, Mr. Vincent, sorry. I always mix up, sorry.
Oh, never mind. It's alright. No difference. If I'm not wrong, it should default to 1.544. 1.544. So it's 15,444. Yeah. But I don't think there's a default to it. Later we can try. Remove the clock rate and see. Okay, no shut. Okay, so here also got local loopback over here. So interface LOO IP address 102.109 165 200 225 224. Okay, so ISP is done. Let's close this. We're going to configure switch 3, router 3, sorry. So all this you should be quite familiar here. So you all realize that no issues with understanding what I'm typing now at the moment. At the moment. So configure router 3. Okay, host name R3. Interface 01. 192.168.30.1. 255.255.255.0. No shut. That's it. Interface LO10. IP address 192.168.40.1. Interface S001. IP 10.2.2.1. No shut. I think we skip the VLAN for the for the switch. Just leave it as it is. Okay, so it's all up ready. Okay, so by doing this, I'm at router 3 right now. See whether can I ping my interface on an ISP, which is actually 10.2.2.2. No problems, huh? No problems. How about in this router 1? Router 1 has a ping ISP, okay, which is 10.2.2.1. 10.1.1.2, sorry. Okay, no problem. But obviously I cannot ping my R3 lah. I can't ping my R3. Okay, because my router 1 does not know about router 3. Okay, so with this, we we are going to start our OSPF. Okay, configure terminal R1 here. Okay, so we took router OSPF, then okay, network 192.168.10, sorry, 10.1.0, sorry, quad zeros, area 0, network 192.168.20.1, area 0, network 10.1.1.1, quad zeros again, area 0. Okay, that's all. Okay, now we're going to configure router 3 with the OSPF. Configure terminal, router, OSPF 10, network, network 192.168.30.1, quad 0, network 192.168.40.1, actual network 10.2.2.1. You realize even for many adjacency, right? Because you're configuring both ends, we have to configure ISP. Right? Okay, go to ISP. Now, once I configure ISP, OSPF, if the OSPF is done correctly, immediately the adjacency will come out. Okay, immediately OSPF adjacency will come out. Okay, router, OSPF, then network, 10.1.1.2, area 0, network 10.2.2.2, area 0, you see? You come out, immediately you come out. Okay? Network 1209, 165, 200, 225. Okay, so all configure OSPF already. So technically speaking, my PC C should be able to ping PCA. So let's try. IP config, and I ping my own gateway first. No problems. I'll ping PCA now. Yeah. First time ARP request. Okay, so for PCA we should be able to ping PCC. IP config first, ping on gateway. Right? Now ping PCC. Yeah. So my OSPF is working. Okay, it's able to ping from here through here, here to here. Right, here to here and here to here. Let me save this first. Right? Okay, now we are done up to here already. Okay? Oh, they use it, must use 1000, but it's okay. Okay, now we're going to configure ACL. Okay, let's read this a bit bigger a bit. Let's see what it means. Okay. Create a standard ACL about all hosts of 192.168.10.0 network and all hosts of 192.168.20 network to access all hosts of 192.168.30 networks. So we have to have permit this, permit this, and deny everybody else. Okay? We don't need to have this last sentence actually, because it's implicit deny. Okay, so how we do it now? Okay, so let's do it. Okay, from R3. Okay, R3. Really tell us where we're going to step 2. R3 going to R1. Okay. Okay, R3, configure terminal, access list 1. It's like the ECL. I'm going to leave the remote alone because you all know its description. I'm going to go straight to the configuration. Permit, okay, from 192.168.10.0 networks, walk-up mask. That's all. No more already. Okay, that's all. Then I want to permit 20 networks, correct? Access list 1, permit 192.168.20.0, walk-up mask. That's all. Show IP access list. Here we are. Okay, this is only declaring access list. We are not using it. So we're going to apply. Apply on this. Okay, so the question is to access all hosts on the 30 network. Okay, so where is the 30 network? Let me use the other lab sheet to show you. 30 network is here. Okay, we want to allow 10 networks. There's no 20 here actually. To access 30 networks. So as close as possible to the destination, which is the router itself. So it will be G01, correct? So it will be G01. So what they want us to do is to be able to this network to come from here to here. So we create the access list on the closest router to the destination and on the interface that's closest to the destination, which is router 3. Alright? So in configure terminal, interface G01, which is the closest interface to the network, and put IP access group 1 in our out.
Out. Access is in.
Why is it out?
Out.
Why?
Why?
Now, you want people to access here, correct? Okay, you put it closest to me, correct? Where are they coming from?
Outside.
So from this way, from this way, this way, out of the interface.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay? So it's out.
So it's like you are the principal, the thing is coming to you.
Yes, so
It says in, it says out from outside.
for this, because we want them to allow this address into this network. So it's coming out from the interface, out from interface. Okay? So this is how we go out. Later I see whether there's any other scenarios we can go in. Okay? Unfortunately, I don't think we can test this because we only got one network here. Okay? One router, one network here only. Okay? So, okay, so the rest is just looking at interface. Looking at interface. So if I do exit, show IP interface G01, you can see there's an access list here. Outgoing access list, or I do a show run. Inside your interface G01, you can see there's an access list here. Alright? So I'm going to ping PCA. Okay, this lab shows you an extended ping, but I'm going to show for PCA first. To this network. No problems, can ping because we allow it. Because we allow it. Right? Okay, do I show IP access this? You see? 4 matches already. From where? From my 10. Right from 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I ping again? You should see 8 matches, right? Yeah. Okay. Where on earth are we going to get 20? Okay, do you remember we have configured a 20 interface, a local loopback over here? Okay. Okay, so I want to ping using this as my source address. Okay, we use ping using this as source address. Your lab sheet tells you how is it done. Just going to follow it. Where is it? Oh, here we are. Okay. From PC is R1. Okay, I'm going to do ping. Protocol from where? 192.168.30.3. Okay. Sorry. Ping. Target IP 192.168.30.3. Okay. Success rate is 0. Why? Okay. Because it's picking from an unknown address. Unknown address. Alright? Where is the where's this? Let's show access list 8 matches. Oh, okay. So it pings from an unknown address. Alright. So I'm going to try one more time. 192.168.30.3. Okay, I'm going to use external command. I'm going to use source address 192.168.30.1. 20.1. Successful. If I use 30.1, will it be successful? Okay. 192.168.30.3. Yes. If you use this IP address, do you think it will be successful? Okay. Won't be successful. What did I allow? I only allow 20 and 10. Okay, so if I change this to 10, 192.168.10.1. Okay, my source is 10, I allow, my source is 20, I allow, my source is 30, it doesn't allow. Why? Because there's no matches. Okay, now if I do, there's some matches over here because I'm big. This is standard ECL. Right? I know this big command is a bit confusing for you. Let's try to find a PC that can do it later on. Alright, so we're going to create now a second policy. Okay, to allow all hosts on network 192.168.40 network to access all hosts on 10, and only also allow all host BCC to access 192.168.10.0 network. Only allow. the SSD should be called branch office policy. Okay, so how do we implement it? Okay, so on R1, okay, we do this. Okay, 40 network, okay, to access on that network. Okay, we want to have 40 network somewhere to access the network here. Okay, so closest again to the source destination will be my R1. R1G01. I'm supposed to create a name policy. Okay, so I go R1, configure terminal, IP access list, standard. We call it name branch office. Okay. So we only permit, they say only permit one host, correct? So you permit host 192.168.30.3. Only permit one host, right? Then permit the network 192.168.40.0 networks. And that's all. Show run, show IP config, IP access list, sorry. So you can see, I have a name access list called branch office. First item is permit, second item is this. So I can actually change this if I want to. Later on I show you. Okay? Now we will implement it on R1, right? R1, the one that is closest to the source, also closest to destination. Okay, so in config terminal, interface 001, IP access group, branch, and this must be very careful because if you type wrongly, you cannot find the correct access list. You know how? You know how?
Out again.
Which one?
Yeah. Coming to this network.
Out. In.
In out.
Out.
Out because coming from here, out lah. Okay. So out lah. Alright? So the in or out is the one that stumbles a lot of people. Okay, out. Okay, that's it. Show, run. You can see your access list. Branch office out. This is my access list. Okay, show IP access list. There we are. Okay, so we can test. So we allow this unit to come in correct. So that means my PCC can ping. Am I correct? Right? Okay, huh? What if I change the IP here to something else? This one will not be able to ping, right?
This one you're pinging from is PCA, right?
PCC to PCA.
You're pinging up.
Yeah. PCC to PCA. It's allowed because this one allows. Right? Now I'm going to show you how to change, modify this one. I want to change to deny.
No.
Okay, so how do I do it? Okay, I can go configure terminal, IP access list, branch office, IP access, sorry, standard branch office, Okay, then I can put no, then no, then I effectively I delete this. Okay, so see what happens to show IP access list. Then missing already. Right? So I do 10 again. Permit, oh sorry, deny. Then sorry, what's this IP address again? Then 192.168.30.3. So does it go above or go below? Does it go above or go below? Show IP access list. Stays on top. Okay, let's say for example, salah. This 10 supposed to be below 20. How? Same thing, we configure terminal, IP access list, standard, branch office. Okay, no 10, then we put 25. Say for example, deny host 192.168.30.3. We do a show run, show IP access list. Look at this. Now it goes below. Yes.
You already remove it, then why do I need to type in deny? I removed it already what?
Yeah, right. So I just want to show you this is this way lah. We can change it, we can delete it, we can modify, we can move up and down.
So if I don't put no, but I don't key in the 25 deny post, blah blah blah.
It won't work because your 10 allow you to stop there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So let's say you didn't put below, I put 10 deny host 192. That will work, right? That will stop it.
Yes. So you see, I'm going to show you the difference now. Good question here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. Okay, I'm going to IP access list standard block branch. Sorry. Office. Okay, I'm going to put that permit 192.168 host. Sorry. 192.168.30.3. Okay, then you show IP access list. Then I got one here and one deny at the bottom. Okay, so which one will work? We permit or we deny?
Start from the top.
Maybe they will take the permit one first.
Yeah, permit one first, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I go in and delete with that. Okay, go and delete with that. So I go
become deny.
okay, no that. Okay, do show IP access. So no more that already here. So stop it. Okay, so in this simple example, I show you a couple of things. One is you can add in the rules as you like. If yours is a name ACL, okay, you should show you top-down processing. If the top is taken, bottom will not be used already. Once there's a match, you will stop there. Okay, and if there's no match, you will still deny because it's implicit deny. Right? So with this, we know we can delete by the number, correct? How about this? You know in your R3 over here, you also got access list, correct? Show IP access list. Okay? How do we do this? How do we delete this and change? We cannot simply just go and do this. We must basically copy this out, copy this, hold this out. That means we must do show run, copy this, copy to notepad. Okay, copy. Then we go configure terminal, no access list 1. Delete everything away. Okay, show IP access list, no more. Okay, so from the notepad, then we start editing here. Then we do this. We copy, then we go configure terminal, then we paste. So whatever you have to do, edit, you do here, then you know, access this, then you copy back again. This is the numbered ACL, just like the one answer. The one you can change with the number is the name ACL. Make sense? Okay. So I'm done with name standard ACL. Okay, what I want you to do is to try the extended ACL. Okay, to save time, I will send you this copy. Let me deal with the ACL first. Then you can work on the extended ACL. So it's no access this one. Show IP access is to that. Okay. No IP access this branch office. So effectively it will delete the whole thing. Still stuck in the interface. No IP access group. Okay, so the already I got to remove this also. So you must remember, you remove the access list is still actually in the interface. Okay, this is still here. Okay, so must remove this also. Say it to you. Then you can work on this extended ECL, so let's try to work this extended ECL. Alright, extended ECL is 15-1 RSE 93230. Alright, okay, so please work on this one, the left right as an SEO. You got the sheet, right? Have? Yeah, so the first part is the same. You need to add extra LO1 though. Should be the same. I saw the addresses. You can skip the VLAN for the switches. It makes no difference. Now it's extended ECL. So try the own. Take a 20 in between also if you need to.
this one, under R1, I explained, they are different addresses, but the same, different network, right? Now, why do they name them LO, same name?
Different routers you call it.
Can call same name. Okay. Another question is this. I read that the loopback is supposed to be the local host address. So it's not for you to be able to think or do some connectivity verification as long as one switch is up, something like that. So if this is the case that this is meant for this area, so whenever you say look back, I always have the idea is to go back.
No. Okay, let's this look back with PC here.
It's a PC deck.
Exactly, look back. You know why you use look back? Because
I was trying to find out what I didn't wasn't clear about look back. So my question is look back is like being there and then you will go around the bus and come back. This is the look back. Yeah, correct. So then you look back at the same address as this.
Sekejap je lah.
Okay, so I want to use this address. I
Tapi aku
can.
tak kisah lagi Irfan korang dah mixer.
What's the
So it's just like
Okay, so the usage of this loop back is just for you to test that's
yes,
all.
for you to test it.
Okay, so that's why I wonder how can I put so many loop back here. And some more say main
Agency
loop
cakap
back.
kau kawan nak join.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Local contact.
Different network Thank you. Hey, wait, my son.
Don't try the expected one.
Annual leave?
Annual leave 12 hari.
Can still wait till
You have to every month that you complete 1 month equals to 1 annual leave. So kalau this year start kan, so you will take as 11 days je. Pasal aku start tak sampai sebulan tak je.
MC.
MC 14 hari standard. Tapi also the same after 3 months baru dapat ni lah the leave and before 3 months is considered unpaid.
Oh, so there's the probation lah, 3 months.
Tak, dia tak ada probation period. It's just that first 3 months memang gitu. All companies like that lah. Kalau company letak normally orang pakai berapa hari kan.
Tak. Normally the 3 months is the probation period.
According to contract they state there's no probation period. So okay lah.
Tak ada baby.
Lama.
Oh, the previous I work also no bonus.
Yang mana?
NCS lah.
Are you sure? Masa dia call aku interview, dia kata after buat how many you get bonus.
Tak ada.
Masa kau sign tak ada.
Masa aku sign, masa aku check ada. Pasal I just wanted for experience. Pasal that time aku pun baru start IT course baru start. So I nak want to ask for more. There's no experience. Tak boleh fight for it unless you can give a very reason.
Tapi kau kena kerja ni, kau kena be ready to walk around lah. Tapi kalau macam tadi
Sama lah,
aku
sama.
tengok tak, tapi ni kita kena jalan like you to the wards, to the clinics, the case lah. They will make a ticket as in there will be a portal that they will send out a ticket, they call it ticket lah. Then macam a case, then to us we have to solve it. Kalau belum solve, you need to follow up the following day until it close, until you or the user close it. Close the case only when the user tested okay on working normal, then okay. That kind of thing. Then
Mostly apa dia issue?
macam wifi disabled ataupun user cannot log in. Macam tadi one of the experience is that C drive dia belum, tapi kau tak boleh base to D drive because some documents confidential something like that lah. Then the C drive you can delete, but you need every time you want to delete something you need to ask the user, are you okay if we delete this? Pasal some of the documents once deleted cannot be retrieved. That's the danger part lah. So weird. I think I will learn more pasal gaji. As in takut gaji dia tak sampai.
Aku dah tak is tu. Sekejap. Dia stock engineer dekat
This side.
same here.
Then where you work? No, I cannot. I will ask.
Ni
Really ah?
she don't believe ya.
What if I? What ah? Also wear this uniform. Okay lah. I don't.
Kenapa lah?
I thought you were just joking with me. Oh my god. Okay.
Sedap ni. Nice lah.
Not bad lah. Not so sweet.